everyone, this is Kiki Vlog, si Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang Bini Cosmetics Live Funny Moments 2025. We got Mikaya Cram. So once again longer, I'm excited to watch this video. Without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Go! Sige nga. Ay? Si Maloy. Natatawa talaga ako kay Maloy, sa totoo lang.
Sa Lippy. So we were thinking na what if iba-iba
Ito yung kanilang dialect.
May mga hindi lang
different.
Tagalog but there's Bisaya din.
Yes.
And then Fulano and Lima lang kasi. So we're like, oh, maybe we can incorporate that. And then parang it would be nice din na
Okay.
it's like endearment yung sa mga products. So that's why.
Correct.
Oh, sino kaya yan? Okay, it is Bini Aya that they were acting out. Okay. So, hi!
Ay,
What's your favorite color and why? I used the shade Pulse muna as the base and then pinatungan ko siya ng event. Makulit. So that
Makulit?
maging physically fit pa rin ako.
ay, si Stacy, si Stacy. Si Stacy.
And I feel like volleyball.
Yes, Stacy. Si Stacy, si Stacy. Ay, funny talaga to si Stacy kahit kailan. May sariling mundo na naman sila. Eh. Ay, walang energy. The blue.
Ano nag-swatch na lang? Team to. Oh my God!
Padaba? Anong padaba?
Ay, Bicol.
Padaba, taka.
Padaba?
Padaba, taka. Love kita, ayun. Ang cute din nito. And of course, Cloud Blush. In the shade, wow. Ayun. Ayun, para to sa mga hindi parang, how could I achieve that?
Ano lang po, kuha po kayo ng off-shoulder top. Colors have to be white, cream, and then don't stop. Ngiti ka lang. No tip.
Paano yan? Kung hindi ako mag-talk ay...
Ano?
Ay, tinay mo naman. No? Nakapost up pa kay Mika. Ang ganda
po.
ni
Tara na
Mika.
po.
Love it. Okay,
Ano-
ayan
ano
na.
yung tanong?
Yeah, Candy. She's the sweetest. And Staku too is the sweetest. And kaya Ate Jo din po bagay. Candy, Candy Pop Kid.
Candy Pop
Colorful kasi
Kid.
vibe niya.
Siya yung pinaka-colorful.
Talaga ba?
Yung medyo monochrome.
Talaga
ganun.
ba?
Si Mix. Ate Colette Bebe.
Oh.
And Ate Jo. Parang lahat na napunta doon. Ganun sa kalalay visuals niya.
Ay, oo nga.
Bagay sa kanila.
Okay, ayan. So, girls, alam nyo ba, pagpatak ng 8
Ano?
Yeah, Candy. She's the sweetest. And Staku too is the sweetest. And kay
Ay, talaga
Ate Jo
ba?
din po bagay. Candy Pop Kid. Colorful kasi vibe niya.
siya yung pinaka-colorful.
Sino yung medyo monochrome, gano'n? Si Mix. Oh.
Si Mix. Oh, medyo ano nga si Mix. Discreet kasi si Mix eh.
Parang lahat na napunta doon. Nakalalay visuals niya.
Okay, ayan. So, girls, alam nyo ba, pagpatak ng 8.
Ay,
Yung tawa na nangangampas. Parang may na akong bagong title sa lip nyo. What? Okay. What can you say to your blooms? Naku, nakakatuwa naman. Wala pang 5 minutes at sold out na tayo for tonight.
Yes, thank you so much, Blooms. Actually,
Oo ba?
kanina kung nag-make-upan nila, nagbabasa ako kanina sa ibang app. And sabi
Oh.
nila, unahan talaga siya. So, feeling ko,
Ay, unahan pala talaga siya.
Puksaan siya. So,
Puksaan.
congratulations
I
sa
love the
lahat ng
term.
nakakita.
I love the term puksaan.
Congrats, congrats!
Okay. Ay, may ads pa. Ay,
Hinamon.
Sino kaya yan?
Okay, it is
Are they using Pro Max na, no?
Acting out. Okay. So,
Speaking of Joanna, wala po si Jo today. Hello po sa mga Joanna. Nagpapahiling lang po si Jo, pero...
May sakit siya.
extra joke.
Kahit Gina G si ano, kahit Gina G si Joanna sa performance video nila kahapon.
Sobrang ayain indeed ang
Ay.
ating. Go ahead and click the hearts and make comments and share this live stream dahil mamaya meron pa rin tayong pa-bundle or so kindly describe the
Pa-bundle.
feeling of the product on your lips.
Yeah, I feel good.
I feel good. Me too. I feel good.
The shade Calls muna as the base, and then pinatungan ko siya ng Yves. Makulit. And then that's when I use and mix yung shimmer, etong dalawa. Etong joke, baliktad pala. Mama is the base. Call and Lindsay is the shimmer that I mixed. And then after that, I went with the cheeks, and this is what I use. This is the shade Whoa. Yeah. And then I like how it's very blendable kasi
Word of love, right? And super ganda po ng shade na to kay Ate Colette. And it's super bagay kasi mukha siyang matapang. Pero pag sinuot mo na, nakaka-soft ng looks. Yes. Yeah. Am I right?
Okay, ayan. So, where is Colette dito? Cute naman. Thank you, love. Napaka-sweet mo naman, love. Wow! Eto na nga ating girls. Lumalabas na ang kakaulitan for tonight! Alam nyo, gustong-gusto ko kung paano kayo makulit. Super, super cute. Totoo
Time for it,
yan.
yeah.
Totoo yan.
Tawa ako dito.
Baka naman natin right here si Mika. Thank you so much for sharing. Ay, ang cute talaga ng ating girls for tonight, no? Bakit? Cotton ka ba? Yeah. Okay, ayan. So up next, go ahead, Mika. Act out a member and you have to guess it. Go. Eto na. Sino yan? Hinamon. Oh, sino kaya yan? Okay, it is Beanie Aya that they were acting out. Okay, so, hi.
Okay.
What's your favorite product and why?
My
Parang
favorite
bumalik, no?
is
Tama.
Makeup.
Pop din.
Sino
Sino gagayahin ko?
kagayahin ko? Sino kagayahin niya? Sino?
Sino to?
Oh my God.
Si Joanna yun. Gagis. Anyways, that's all for today's video. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog.